Friday, August 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start with a live look at during the 5 o'clock hour from the Cape Fear River over around Wilmington from the Cape Fear Community College Marine Technology dock camera there, 73 degrees, wind light out of the northwest. Pretty quiet start in many spots of the region, except the Sandhills. Have some shower activity down that way this morning, even arcing back into parts of Anson County. A couple early Friday morning showers, and a lot of showers and storms off into parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. That's with the disturbance. It's moving our way, but it's going to be running into an upper level ridge, and a lot of that disturbance is going to kind of fall apart, but enough left to probably bring us some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon. And there were a lot of severe storms from eastern Virginia down into eastern North Carolina and South Carolina yesterday. You had some wind and hail damage there. That's all the storm reports from yesterday, and some areas of pretty heavy rainfall too. There's the 24-hour rainfall amounts. Parts of Union, Anson, Richmond, Montgomery counties, and then over toward the Sandhills really had some very heavy pockets of rain yesterday. Yesterday, high temperatures, 96 in Charlotte, 97 in Columbia, 92 in Greensboro, on a low 90s closer to the coast as well. So again, relatively quiet with the exception of those showers around the Sandhills this morning, but this afternoon I do expect some scattered storms to fire. A lot of temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s, dew point temperatures in the 60s. It's a relatively muggy August morning underway. All right, here's the deal today on the RPM modeling. As we go through the day, you'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms trying to develop in a few spots, but it all kind of depends on how well that disturbance holds together that's trying to roll our way from the west. As we get into the weekend, more of the same, warm and muggy, some scattered shower and thunderstorm opportunities continuing for Saturday and Sunday, and then that next cold front actually drops in here Monday, so Monday's probably the day with the best shower and storm chances ahead. All right, let's talk about Ernesto. Ernesto is getting set to enter the Caribbean Sea. Again, I'm cutting this video during the 5 a.m. hour on Friday morning, and this was the 5 a.m. advisory information here for Ernesto. 45-mile-per-hour tropical storm, really racing to the west at 24 miles per hour until it slows down. It's going to have a tough time really significantly strengthening here. There's the computer model charts here. Really actually pretty good agreement that this is going to head west-northwest through the Caribbean Sea. The question marks come into play here toward the end of the model cycles as to whether this will head towards Central America or bend up into a weakness toward the Gulf of Mexico. The models are kind of divided fairly evenly down those lines. Now there's the Hurricane Center forecast, kind of splitting the difference heading toward the tip of the Yucatan there by Wednesday of next week. And notice they do have it as a hurricane by that point in time. Plenty of heat in terms of the water temperatures there through the Caribbean Sea. A lot of mid-80s for water temperatures, and then the temperatures even a little bit warmer as you get into the Gulf of Mexico. So if the upper level winds cooperate and this system slows down, you could indeed see some relatively significant strengthening as you get especially out to early next week as it gets more toward the western Caribbean Sea. So we'll keep watching that as we go forward. In time, interest in the Caribbean and possibly eventually the Gulf of Mexico. Certainly need to keep a close watch on Ernesto. All right, that's it for today. Everybody have a great weekend, and God bless.